Hello everyone, welcome to this example where we are given 9 small squares and we are required to shade 4 squares such that the figure eventually would have one line of symmetry. There are many possible ways of doing this. So what I'm going to share with you is just one possible way, alright? So if I realize I could actually shade this 1, 2, 3, 4, and after which the only line of symmetry in this case after I shade the 4 square would be here. There's no other way of having another line of symmetry thereafter. Alright? With that, we have come to the end of this example. And let's move on to the next example.